Hey guys, Crazy Cool Epic Gamer here, and a lot of you might not know, but I am a master at cooking. So, we're gonna make a sandwich. Now typically, I wouldn't be making this since I'm a male, but anyways, so first ingredient of course, Wonder Bread. A lot of you may be thinking, Wonder Bread? Are you kidding me? No, I'm not kidding you. I can't do the voice anymore. I might just have to talk normally. Anyways, bread. We're going to assemble the sandwich first. Cheese. Now, see how I'm cheese. And so, since it's thinly sliced, we're going to put on another slice and then another slice. Alright? Wait a minute. This is sideways. I don't know how this is going to look. So, we've got to go in here, get another slice of cheese. Hungry. This is good. We'll need another piece of cheese anyway. Hungry eyes, do 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 do. I look at you and I can't disguise. Okay. Turkey. Take turkey. Place. And we're going to do it just like the cheese. 2 slices on each piece of bread. Wait a minute. Take off the turkey. I'm going to put it to the side for a second. How could I forget? Mustard. For the mustard, I'm just going to put it on both sides of the cheese. Like, you know, both pieces of bread on the cheese, of course. So it doesn't make the bread soggy. Oh, I got some on the floor. Get the excess, put it there. Pause. Okay, the mustard is placed. Now I'm going to put on the turkey. Get another slice. No shame in eating while you go. Remember that. Another slice. And we have 2 more slices left, so we might as well just finish the turkey off. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Now, put the cheese. Again, more cheese. And 1 slice of cheese in the center. It doesn't matter how thinly cut. I don't care. It's cheese. 1 slice of cheese in here. I only put 2 pieces of cheese just because it's a little thin. But in the middle, just 1. Yes. What do I get? Jalapenos. Typically, I put them 5 and place them like you would on like a 5 on the 5 dots on a dice, or a die rather. Jalapeno, boom. Jalapeno, boom. Jalapeno, boom. Jalapeno. I'm going to show you guys what it should look like. It should look like that. Alright. Now I'm gonna skip ahead a bit. Pause. Fuck. Of course, I'm toasting this. So, the pan, I put butter in. Now, we're gonna turn on the stove. Yeah. Putting it on high just to melt the butter. Once the butter is melted, you're gonna want to put it on a 5. I put it on 5, or like medium. Because butter burns, you don't want to burn butter. So, I'm gonna skip ahead. Now, I didn't show you guys, but what I did was I just took the pieces of bread and I just soaked them in the butter. And it's just the way it browns, it's just and the bread just it enhances the taste having butter on it. Anyways, me cooking the sandwich, not fun to look at, but me talking about it, kind of interesting, I guess. But so yeah, I just soaked the bread in butter, and now I'm gonna wait for it to cook, and I hope I don't burn it. It's gonna be a perfect golden brown, and that's how you want it. You don't want it any more than that. So, catch you on the flip side. Hungry eyes, do 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 do. I look at you and I can't disguise.